So I am on Vector Studio. So now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the ellipse tool. And now in order to create a perfect circle, hold shift key down and then create your circle. And now I'm going to remove the fill. So left click here, click on this icon to remove the fill. And now I'm going to add a 1 point outline, double click here, type 1, press enter. And now let's select the move tool. Make sure the snapping here is checked. If I left click here, so here are the features I checked. So now I'm just going to center my circle. So here it is. And now Control J to duplicate this circle. And now hold shift key down and then scale it down from this handle here until it snaps in the middle. And now click on the gear icon here, left click, check the enable transform origin. And now I'm going to move the center point here of transform origin of the small circle to the center. So here it is. As you can see, it snaps in the middle of the Canva. And now make sure on the move tool, press enter. So this will open the move and duplicate window. So now check the duplicate. I'm going to change the number of copies to 5. Double click, type 5, press enter. And now I'm going to change the rotation to 60. Double click, type 60, press enter. So here it is. And now click OK. And now I'm going to select all the shapes. And now select the shape builder tool, left click, select shape builder. So the action is plus to create new shape from selected areas. Drag method is freehand. The cleanup, I'm going to use all unused geometry. So this will keep only the shape we select. And then I check the use style from selected area. So now I'm just going to, so as you can see here, it should select only this area, not this one, and this one. So now let's select the move tool. I'm going to left click outside. I'm going to select the big circle here, left click on it. I'm going to uncheck the snapping. And now hold the control key and shift key down and then scale it down just a little bit so that it touches these small circles here. Hold the control key and shift key down and then scale it down proportionally. So here it is. Now let's select all the shapes again. Let's select the shape builder, left click, select shape builder. I'm going to use the same setting. The action is to create new shape from selected areas. And now if I select this one, so here it is. Now I'm just going to drag over this area. So here it is. So now I'm going to add a gradient to this shape. So now let's select the fill tool, left click, select fill tool. The context is fill. I'm going to change the type here to linear. So now I'm going to left click on this point here. I'm going to change it to blue color. So I'm going to change it to this color. I'm going to left click on this point here. I'm just going to use the same color. So here it is. Click on this icon here. And now I'm going to left click in the middle to add the color. For this one, I'm going to choose very light color, this one here. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool. So now I'm going to check the snapping again, left click on it. And now I'm just going to move the transform origin point here to the middle. I'm just going to drag it. So here it is in the middle. As you can see, it snaps. And now I'm just going to press enter. Just as before, select the shape here, make sure on the move tool and then press enter. And now check the duplicate. I'm going to change the number of copies to 5. And then for the rotation, double click, I'm going to change it to 60, press enter. So here it is. And now click OK. And now I'm just going to select all shapes. If you want to keep the outline, so here it is. If you want to remove the outline, select all shapes, click on group. And now left click here. So now I'm just going to increase or decrease the outline. And now I'm just going to add slight contour to fill the gaps here. Select the contour tool, double click. I'm going to add 0.5 contour, press enter. Now let's select the move tool.